Hello everyone, my name is Maxim Prokopov and I'm Staff Site Reliability Engineer at Billy. Today I want to talk a little bit about what Site Reliability Engineering is and explain core concepts of Site Reliability Engineering. So let's go. If you want me to describe what the Site Reliability Engineering is in one sentence, it would be finding a good balance between changes and reliability of the running services. So the description is simple, but achieving the good balance is not so. And the target of this balance, it has a term. It is called SLA, or Service Level Agreement. That means that the amount of changes you do should not disrupt your service below the certain threshold. This threshold is called level agreement. That means you try to keep your service at certain level of uptime, or sometimes it's measured as availability, sometimes it's called uptime, sometimes it has different measurements, but you got the idea. So if you want to manage something, you need to measure. That means you need to measure reliability itself. Sometimes it's simple. If you have like a very simple service, it's a website, it could be just up or down, right? But the modern applications are very, very complex. Sometimes they could consist of thousands of microservices. So that means your application could be partially up or partially down. Imagine you're running e-commerce website. You have a listing of products and it works. And you have the checkout, which is baked by a different microservice, let's say checkout microservice, and user experience the issues or incidents when they try to check out. That means the partial part of your application works, but another part of your application doesn't work. Is it critical for you? That really depends on your service. If you run in e-commerce, you probably want checkout to be up and running because that's the core of your business, and if it's down, a business actually doesn't earn money. What I just described is called a business critical path, and it's typically monitored by something that is called synthetic monitoring. It typically represents some fake user tries to do some business related critical changes. Let's say if it's e-commerce, it tries to create an order and to go through the certain steps. It doesn't mean that you need to handle that order. You just need to verify the whole path is working. And you should be able to notice that something goes down before users start complaining to you. That's basically the core idea of SRE. It's just to introduce the measurement of the reliability, reduce amount of changes when your service is not reliable enough, and keep this balance. Iterate, rinse, repeat, and so on and so forth. There are more for that, but I will try to explain that in my next videos, so stay tuned, give some love, give some likes, and happy coding!